Hi, I'm Erica McClain, your local realtor with over 25 years of experience helping homeowners in Elmwood Park, Dunning, Belmont Heights, Jefferson Park, all the surrounding suburbs, basically the whole Northwest side. If your home didn't sell the first time it was listed, don't worry. You're not alone, and more importantly, it's not your fault. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 most common mistakes that cause listings to expire and how we can fix them so your home sells the second time around. Why didn't your home sell? Here's the 5 mistakes that cost you buyers. Pricing too high. Everybody puts pricing as number one. I don't think it is, but that's the biggest one. So let's start with the big one. Pricing your home too high can scare away potential buyers before they even step foot inside. Buyers see overpriced homes and immediately think, I'll just wait for a price reduction. That's not the kind of attention you want. Instead, we need a pricing strategy that's competitive but still leaves a little room for negotiation. Overpriced homes versus competitive priced homes, and your days on the market are going to be lagging. Mistake number 2, I think this should be number 1, but lack of professional photos. I can't tell you how many listings I see. You can tell the agent took their own photos with their own camera. It's all about the presentation. Homes that lack professional photography tend to sit on the market. Imagine scrolling through listings online. Would you stop for a blurry, dark photos or a small vertical photo as opposed to a full, high quality photo? That's what sells homes. The home actually sells itself, but it needs to be properly represented. Mistake number 3, limited marketing. In today's market, a simple for sale sign is definitely not enough. If your home isn't on every platform, social media, real estate websites, email campaigns, you're missing out on buyers. I use a multi-channel marketing strategy to make sure your home is seen by the right people at the right time. The days of just throwing it in the MLS and keeping your fingers crossed, hoping it's going to sell, are over. And there's a lot of agents that do that, and they don't even include all the information in the MLS. There's a lot of missing fields in there. Mistake number 4, ignoring feedback. Sometimes feedback from showings gets overlooked. Buyers might mention something small, like a creaky door or an awkward layout, but these are small things that can add up and cost you offers. But I will also tell you, getting feedback from the agents that have shown it is like finding a needle in a haystack. I don't know why they can't take the 30 seconds to fill out the feedback form. To me, it's very unprofessional and it's very ignorant to the seller that allowed them to show the house. But that's something I deal with on a daily basis. Mistake number 5, hiring the wrong agent. Not all agents are created equal. Did your last agent have a clear strategy? Were they proactive about marketing and communicating with you? If not, that's where things fell through. I specialize in expired listings, and I'm here to make sure your home gets the attention it deserves this time. a lot of things go on behind the scenes that sellers aren't aware of. So the reason your home didn't sell, most likely you were not the problem. So there you have it, the 5 most common mistakes that keep homes from selling and how to avoid them. If your home didn't sell, don't give up. I'd love to help you create a strategy that works. Click on the link below to schedule a free consultation with me, or all my information is there. Reach out, call me. And don't forget, please, to subscribe for more tips on selling your home in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this information useful. Otherwise, I will say bye for now and hope to see you back for another video.